Welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I am bringing you a great summer recipe because it is very hot outside. So this is like a perfect little meal. So we are going to be doing a pasta salad. First things first, let's get the noodles going. So I'm always going to season my water with some sort of broth. Today I'm using Better Than Bouillon, the veggie one, and I'm going to over season it with salt and add a little oil to make sure that those noodles do not stick. While that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and cut up all my vegetables. So I'm going to be adding some cucumbers, some tomatoes, some broccoli, and some red onion. Now I'm kind of excited about this video because I was sent a brand new knife from Nakano and I love it. Like, it feels great in the hands. It is super sharp. So if you do get one, you will have to make sure that you are very careful because you do not want to cut yourself. The first time my mom used it, she accidentally cut herself. So don't do that. So let's take a closer look at this knife. Like I said, it feels great in the hands. It's comfortable. It cuts very easily. It does come with some tips and information and instructions on how to care for this knife in the box. I just love it. So here's a few different angles of it. As you can see, you probably can tell from here, it's super sharp. I will drop a link down in the description box if you do want to get this so that you can get a discount on this knife. This makes for a great gift if you're not into cooking like that. Or if you already have knives and you're not in need or shopping for a new one, like I said, you could give it as a gift too. All right, so let's get back to making this recipe. So let's go ahead and dice up these tomatoes. I'm going to turn the sound on so you guys can hear how this knife cuts. And I'm going to be quiet. All right, so we're going to go ahead and add our pasta to our veggies, and we're going to season this up. The first seasoning that I'm going to be using is Auntie Tabitha Brown's Very Good Garlic, a very generous amount of that. Next, I'm going to add in a really good flavored oil. This time, I'm going to be using an almond oil by Sunny Jim. If you have not tried this brand, I highly recommend it. It's amazing. And I'm also going to add in some red wine vinegar. And then we're also going to be adding in things like salt, pepper, garlic powder, some Italian seasoning, some vegan mayo, just a light amount of vegan mayo. You don't want to put too much of that. It's just supposed to add just a slight creaminess, not too much. Some fresh parsley will go in this as well, and some fresh lemon juice. If you don't have fresh, I don't think I had fresh that day. I used just bottled lemon juice, but whatever lemon juice that you do have, fresh or bottled, wherever it comes from. And that's it. The recipe is in the description box down below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, see you guys.